Starting around the 25th of April 2023, Cardano sort of is exchanging at 38 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.59% in especially most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. ADA fundamentally has a genuinely complete market cap of $13,184,233,405 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $263,839,411, which is genuinely huge. This generally makes Cardano genuinely positioning at 7 in the digital money market, which really is very critical. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Cardano especially be worth in 2023, which especially is very critical? Is Cardano a genuinely wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? Will ADA cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high, or so they sort of thought? These especially are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which generally is genuinely critical. Cardano Value Expectation 2023 as per the Cardano Conjecture Cost and Specialized Examination. In 2023, the ADA cost for the most part is supposed to explicitly cross an extremely normal value level of 52 cents. The normal fundamentally least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the in every way that really matters. Current year ought to explicitly be 50 cents in an unpretentious manner. Besides, ADA can fundamentally arrive at an essentially greatest value level of 58 cents, or so they thought. ADA Value Conjecture April 2023. The Cardano figure for April 2023 expects that the ADA may in every practical sense arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of 42 cents with a base cost of around 37 cents in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the especially normal value, ADA can in every way that really matters stretch around 40 cents for April in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. ADA Value Gauge May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of Cardano for the most part is estimated to really be at around a genuinely least worth of 40 cents in a by and large significant manner. The Cardano value worth can generally arrive at a limit of 44 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 42 cents in USD in an unpretentious way. ADA Value Estimate June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Cardano for the most part is supposed to essentially arrive at a very least value worth of 42 cents, or so they certainly thought. The ADA cost could sort of arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 46 cents with the typical cost around 44 cents, which especially is genuinely critical. Cardano Value Estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the essentially greatest cost for Cardano could for the most part stretch around 47 cents, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in July 2023 explicitly is 44 cents with an exceptionally normal cost of 45 cents. So starting around the 25th of April 2023, Cardano is exchanging at 38 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.59% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano Value Estimate August 2023. The exceptionally normal cost of Cardano could explicitly go to 47 cents toward August 2023 in a very huge manner's end. ADA could especially be exchanging around a by and large most extreme worth of 50 cents with the really least expected cost of 45 cents, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano Value Conjecture September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Cardano most certainly is fundamentally anticipated to especially arrive at a by and large normal cost of 48 cents, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of 52 cents and genuinely least of 47 cents, showing how ADA value figure May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of Cardano really is determined to sort of be at around a very least worth of 40 cents, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano Value Expectation October 2023. Cardano cost certainly is supposed to explicitly reach between 47 cents to 54 cents in October 2023, while the sort of typical cost of ADA for the October certainly remains around 49 cents. Cardano Value Forecast November 2023. The cost for Cardano in November 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 50 cents and 56 cents, in spite of mainstream thinking, while the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around 51 cents. Cardano Value Figure December 2023. The Cardano cost for December 2023 may truly arrive at a kind of least worth of 50 cents, while the kind of greatest determined cost basically is around 58 cents, which basically is very huge. The typical cost for ADA essentially is explicitly anticipated to generally reach 52 cents in December 2023 in an unpretentious way. Cardano kind of past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been most certainly diminished by 2.58% in its genuinely current worth in an every practical sense significant way. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the very current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap by and large is likewise down in a for the most part significant manner. Cardano basically is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The ADA most certainly is down to nearly 14.51% in the especially most recent 7 days in a very huge manner. The coin for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for truly beyond couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have areas of strength for commonly yet. We don't believe that it would a productive resource and certainly transient in an all things considered significant way. In any case, after the contrasting the ongoing cost and in every practical sense, recent days cost history, it explicitly is seen that Cardano sort of has expanded 9.491% in its worth, exhibiting that the coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for in every way that really matters. Past kind of couple of days, the coin could truly have areas of strength for commonly at the same time. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in sort of momentary and in all things considered, large way. The genuinely normal by and large least cost for the month basically is 33 cents, while for the most part greatest exceptionally normal cost was 34 cents, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. This suggests that this coin generally is a reasonable resource and another expansion to extremely your arrangement of coins for in every practical sense, long haul incredibly. The 90 days cost change basically is around 29.26%, and the cost in every practical sense flowed from a sort of least certainly normal cost of 25 cents to essentially greatest sort of normal cost of 27 cents in the specific beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. In essentially most recent 4 months, Cardano fundamentally has shown a developing pattern, which is very huge. Hence, we in a real sense feel that comparative pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period in an unpretentious manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano is expanded from 4 months in an unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its value, which is genuinely huge. The coin truly is up by 18.70%, with the by and large greatest by and large normal cost of the coin generally was around 33 cents, and the sort of least truly normal cost of in every practical sense was around 32 cents in every way that really matters. Recent months in a truly significant way. Cardano Value Conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will really be Cardano for the most part worth in 2023? Amazingly, the ADA cost especially is estimated to for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 58 cents, with exceptionally least cost of 50 cents toward the finish of 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge. Does Cardano essentially have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Cardano truly has an extraordinary essentially potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, especially further appearance how the 90 days cost change truly is around 29.26%, and the cost explicitly coursed from a very least extremely normal cost of 25 cents to greatest pretty normal cost of 27 cents in the precise beyond 90 days in a huge manner. It is gauged that ADA will increment in esteem, or so they thought, as per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business experts. Cardano can sort of stir things up around town cost of $16.56 till 2030 incredibly. Is Cardano fundamentally